Hey beaders, it's Daniella from Estelle and Wild Designs, and I'm here again with another box to open for you. And this is actually the December 2019 Dollar Bead Box, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do a video review of this since it came to me so late. And I got this around the 18th of January, and that's not cool in my opinion. I'm quite disappointed about that. But anyway, I'm going to do this because I also look at videos that are sometimes a couple of years old, just because I love to just look at the beads and see what people have made and whatnot. So I'm going to open this one, and I hope it's a good box and that it is interesting. All right, so let's start. Let's see what we find. And as you all know, I also subscribe to the little bag of bead strands. And these are all Czech fire polish beads. Very nice. And then we have the box itself with, what is this? This is a list of contents. And we are going to go through all of this together, right? Here we have here is the box or bag itself. And it's wrapped in white tissue paper. And I think I am I gonna leave it here? No, gonna take it away. All right, so as usual, I am going to organize this and I'll get back to you. All right, I'm back from organizing the beads. And what should we start with? Should we start with the box or with the bag? I think we're going to start with the box, actually. Okay, so first up we have a little strand. It's very small, hope you can see. It's 3mm Czech glass drug in multi-metallic mix. And at first I didn't really see this, but it's there are red, blue, yellow, and green beads in here, mostly brown, red, but they are very nice, I think. And they are 3mm, so it just gives a little pop to what you're doing. I'm going to put it here. All right, next one is also 3mm Czech glass drug, and this is teal half metallic lumi, it's called. And they are very, not sparkly, but they are shiny. And the color is, well, it's a light teal color, I'd say. It's very nice. Okay, and then we have 4mm Czech glass pearls in mystic purple. And it's an interesting color. It's sort of, I would say, a matte, shiny pearl. It isn't matte, but it kind of looks matte in a way. And the purple is purple gray, I think. But they're cute. And as always, Czech beads are very nice. Next up we have a fairly long strand of 1 by 2mm Chinese crystal rondelles. And as you can see, tiny, cute little beads, very good to have, just to add like a little pop somewhere. Okay, it's hard to put them anywhere because you almost don't see them. Okay, next up we have something called, this is a 5mm Czech fire polish burnt umber Picasso, and I actually thought this was black at first. It isn't. It's very dark brownish with a Picasso finish. They are nice as always. I hope you can see the color. I see that it's very in a way bright, but still a little dark. I don't know how that works. All right. Okay, and next up we have this beautiful strand, and this is 6mm check glass struck in velvet opal. It is not, because this is check fire polished crystal, 8mm. It's very nice, and they are round, as you understand. See, put it here like that, and then we have this one that is a 6mm where is it, check glass struck in velvet opal. And this is really nice. It looks like the color is very, very light purple pink, I'd say. And it's very nice. Okay, so that's that. And now we come to the other part of the box where there are a lot of, should I say, samplers? Yes, I should. And we start off with the first one here, which is 2 pieces of 10mm Chinese glass laser etched rounds in white and silver. And they are kind of nice, actually. Could make something cute with them, right? I think. Then we have here 5x7mm Chinese star cut crystals in green vitriol, and that color is always nice. See if we can pick this up in the camera. I'm not sure, but these are very cute. See? I love them. You can sit over here. All right, and then we have this one. It's a 4mm check glass Hawaiian flower, and the color is opaque red with pink wash. And this is really nice. It's a very beautiful red color here, and the wash is, it is pink. It looks a little bit white, but it is pink. And it looks like it usually does. Very cute. Sit up. No, I want you to sit there. And then we have something called 17x24mm porcelain pendant with a raku finish. And I have absolutely no idea what a raku finish is, but it's very shiny, smooth, and yeah, it looks a little bit like, no, I should say mirror, but it isn't. It's not a mirror. It's very, very smooth and shiny and polished. So that, my friends, is a raku finish, right? Oops. Okay. There. And next up we have these. And they are 5x7mm Chinese crystal top drilled drop in light mint opal rainbow iris. That was a long name. They are very cute, very nice colors, like, I don't know, like a white minty color. I'm sorry. And we have 4 pieces of those. Very nice, very, very nice. All right, over there. Okay, next up we have 5 pieces of 10mm magnesite melon beads in various colors. We have turquoise, yellow, pink, red, and well, I'm not so sure, maybe it's very deep purple, I think. I like melon rounds. I think they are so much fun to work with. So it's going to be a challenge having 5 different ones here, but we'll see. Could work. Can come up with something, right? Okay, so next up we have see. We have a 13 millimeter checkless table cut sunflower. Let's see if we can see it here. And the color of these are a teal opal with travertine. Did I do this right? Yes, I did. And the teal is very dark. It should have been a little bit lighter, I think. In my opinion, it should have been lighter, but they're kind of cool. I've never seen sunflowers, or maybe I just haven't thought about it. But they are very nice, I think. All right. Next up, we have 2 pieces of 15 by 20 millimeter top drill magnesite drops, and they are turquoise, of course. So I think magnesite and howlite look exactly the same. Maybe it is the same with a different name. Who knows? They're cool, and they are quite large, and they can make, I don't know, beautiful pair of earrings. Maybe should have been 3, then you could have made 2 earrings and a necklace. Yeah, doesn't matter. We find out what we can do. We come up with something. All right. And then we have 10 pieces of 4 by 5 millimeter Chinese star cut crystals in jet, and they are kind of small and I think a bit hard to see, but I like these star cuts. Okay, very hard to see, but they are black anyway. That we could see. All right, and the last little baggie that we have here is this one, and in here we have 2 pieces. No, we don't have 2 pieces at all. We have 6 pieces of 4 millimeter Swarovski 5000 faceted beads in garnet. It's a very, very dark garnet color, so it's really hard to see, but they are, like bicones are, very nice. And Swarovskis are always sparkly. They have a very nice sparkle to them. All right, and as a little surprise this time, they also gave us a little bonus, which is this one, and it's a 6 to 10 millimeter porcelain round strand. In color and quantity varies, it said, but I got the turquoise one, and the color is really pretty, but the beads are unequal in size, and the holes are, some are broken, the holes are not that good, but the color is super cute, and it's very summery. It's a soft pale turquoise color. It's really, really nice. All right, let's move on to the bag then. All right, so let's move on to the little bag. And first up there we have the 3 millimeter strands, and the first one is matte medium copper, and this is a very beautiful color. It's like a golden copper. It's not too red. It's really, really nice. I like it a lot. Okay, the next one is called Crystal Citrine Luster AB, and it's a very nice kind of dark yellow color. It's very nice and sparkly as always. Okay, and the third one, we have something called Southwestern Sage. It's a really cute greenish color. I like it a lot. Look at this, so pretty, and very spring type color. Very cool. And then we have dark seafoam blue, which is also nice, but I don't think it's that seafoamy. It should have been a little bit bluer, but it's nice. You can use a lot. It goes quite well with the sage color there. See? Very nice. And then we have the 4mm strands. And the first one is, it's called Pearlized White. I think we've had this one before. I think so. It's nice. It's very shiny, not sparkly, but shiny. And it's white, as we can see. Yeah. And then we have, I think this is it anyway. It must be metallic Mardi Gras green. It's a cool metallic color, really. It's a really nice color. And it's sparkling. And it is a nice green. Like a, I'd say like a little bit of a teal green color. And then we have dark seafoam blue. Look at this. It must be the same as the little one that we had here. Yeah, no, it's not the same. Almost the same. Doesn't matter. It's cool and it's nice and it's very useful. See? All right, and last up we have metallic pearlized purple. It's also a nice color. It's a kind of a dark purple color. It's also very useful and very nice and sparkly. So this was it for the December 2019 box from Dollar Bead Box, and I've been thinking on this, and I'm not so sure I'm going to continue subscribing to these boxes, because first, they are very, very late in coming to my country, so I'm always very late in making the reviews and videos, and so everyone has already seen the reviews like 10 times. But I like to do reviews, and we'll see. I'm going to talk to them and see if they can do something about the shipping times. Otherwise, number 2, I think all of the strands are very beautiful. Very, very nice. But half of the box is more of a sampler. When you get, like, for example, 1 bead, I'd like to have at least 2, 3, so that you can make something. And well, yeah, that are the 2 main concerns that I have. So we'll see. Maybe this is the last one, or maybe there will be more. But it's I will come back to you and I'll show you what I've made. Maybe I will make sort of this is what I made in January or something like that. We'll see. Well, thank you for now, and I see you next time. Bye bye.